Hello, friends. I'm back here with some of the major literary terms. So let's start. And the first word is about a line of words whose last foot has only one syllabus. Examples of that is the nymph and Safford come away. So that is called as the catalactic. Chiasmus is what? A figure of speech in which the word order in the first of two parallel clauses is reversed. In the second, as he saved himself, he saved others, himself he cannot save. क्यासमस क्या है? ये फिगर ऑफ स्पीच है जिसमें हमें वर्ड ऑर्डर को क्या होता है, टू पैरेलल क्लासेस में फर्स्ट जो आपका क्लास होता है उसका वर्ड ऑर्डर सेकंड क्लास में हम लोग एक्सचेंज कर देते हैं, रिवर्स कर देते हैं, उसे हम क्यासमस बोलेंगे. क्लिक क्या है? अ हैकनेक एक्सप्रेशन. हैकनेक दैट मीन्स है कि ऑफन यूज्ड और फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज्ड, जिसको बार बार यूज किया जाता हो तो उसे आप हैकनेड बोलेंगे. फ्रॉम द फ्रेंच ऑफ द स्टीरियोटाइप ब्लॉक दैट हैड द डिस्क्रिप्टिव इंफॉर्मेशन अंडर पिक्चर इन अ न्यूज़पेपर, उसे आप क्लिक कहते हैं. कैकोफोनी, व्हाट द मीनिंग ऑफ द कैकोफोनी? तो वर्ड्स producing a harsh and unpleasant sounds term as the cacophony. Opposite of that is the euphony. Cacophony का opposite भी है, that euphony होता है. Caesura is a natural pause or break in the line of poetry. Canto is a section or division of a long narrative poet. Carpe diem is a Latin phrase that means seize the day. The speaker in the Carpe diem poems emphasizes that life is short and time is fleeing, so make the most of present pleasures. Examples: Andrew Marvell's poem to his co-mistress is an example of this kind of poetry. Catastrophe, the turning downward of the plot in a classical tragedy is known as the catastrophe. You can term the catastrophe as the end of the tragedy. By tradition, the catastrophes occur in fourth act of the play after the climax. Catharsis is what? Is a purgation of the emotion. According to the Aristotle, the end of tragedy is the purgation of emotion through pity and terror. When the moral order is restored, जब moral order को रिस्टोर कर लिया जाता है, and that situation is known as the catharsis. Cavalier poets were the poets of the 17th century who support the King Charles I before he was beheaded in 1649. तो 1649 में उन्हें beheaded किया गया था चार्ल्स I को, तो उनको सपोर्ट करने वाले जो पोइट थे वो कैलिवियर पोइट्स थे. They primarily wrote about the country love and called that's why the sons of Wayne after Wayne Johnson. Notable author of this kind of poetry were the Richard Lovelace, William Davenant and Thomas Curry. Celtic revival is known as the Irish literary renaissance. आयरिश लिटरेरी रेनेसा को आपका कैल्टिक रिवाइवल भी कहा जाता है. कैरिकेचर इज अ वर्बल डिस्क्रिप्शन एक्जगरेटेड और डिस्टॉर्टेड फॉर कॉमिक इफेक्टेड. हियर द डिस्टॉर्टेड मीन्स इन हिंदी जिसे विकृत कर दिया जाए या बिगाड़ दिया जाए. कन्फेशनल, लास्ट टर्म ऑफ टुडेज वीडियो, कन्फेशनल पोइट्री. इट इज द पोइट्री ऑफ ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल जैनर in which the poet discusses intensely personal subject matter with unusual frankness. The genre was particularly popular from the late 50s to the late 1960s due in part of the Robert Lowell's life studies is an example of this kind of genre. The poetry of Kamala Das The poetry of Kamala Das is also fall in this kind of category. The poetry of Kamala Das is sometimes also termed as the confessional poetry. So guys, these were some of the major literary terms we were discussing. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channels and share this with your friends. Thank you guys for watching.